show you several ways how you can power off or restart your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. Okay, so the first thing is this. If you try to press and hold your power button, it's going to go ahead and bring up Bixby, okay, if you have that enabled. But what you can do is this, okay, you can make the power key turn into the, to be able to turn it off or restart the phone, okay? So really quickly, the second way is volume down, power button. So volume down, power button. Press and hold and just keep holding both buttons till the power off menu appears, and you can power off or restart there. Now also take a look down here. Your side key settings, that's basically your power button. So if I tap on this right here, and you can see press and hold the power button, it wakes up Bixby by default, but you can do this. Power off menu. Okay, now if you press and hold the power button, for myself it just makes it easier. I don't even use Bixby, but it'll bring up the power off menu here as well. Another way to turn off or restart, if you slide down notifications, just like this, and you slide down one more time, if you look up here, you can see a little power button right there. Tap on that power button, and there you go. Now, another way where you can restart it, basically, if you can't restart or power, or if you can't restart the normal way, maybe the screen has issues or whatnot, what you can do is, again, is the volume down and power button. Okay, what you want to do is press and hold and do not let go until you see the Samsung logo appear, and then let go, and that's basically a forced restart. So we'll do this together. Okay, volume down, power, ready, set, go. Press and hold, it's going to bring up the power off menu. Continue to hold volume down, power. I'm still holding here. I'm going to keep on holding until I see a Samsung logo appear. Still holding, volume down, power button. Come on, where's that Samsung logo? Still holding both buttons. Come on, where's that Samsung logo? Oh, felt it vibrate, Samsung logo. Go ahead and let go, and there you go. You just forced it to restart. Questions or issues? Comment below.